Hello everyone, this is Ron from Ron's RC and Tech channel. Today I have some updates to the Parrot Anafi drone. Recently, I'm going to say last week, today is Saturday, November 2nd, and beginning of last week, at the end of October, the Parrot sent out a app update for the Parrot Free Fly 6 app. The app, the current version, the one they released last week was 6.62, and I think it came overnight Sunday into Monday, or maybe overnight Monday into Tuesday. So we updated that, and also, the drone got an update also to 1.61, and the transmitter got an update to 1.62 firmware. So that's done just by opening up the app, turning on the drone, and clicking the button along the top that shows the icon for the drone. You click that, you see like a little red number there, meaning that it has a firmware update, and the same thing for the transmitter, which is nice right next to the icon for the drone. So I'm going to go over some of the features that the app says it has in under 6.62. All right, I'm back here. Okay, some of the specs that the Free Flight 6 app, which according to the information on the phone here, was released on October 27th. It said, thanks for choosing Parrot. We regularly update our application to offer you more features suited to your needs. Check out the latest features. Number one, you can now select the FPV goggles within a list of supported models. Quick access to the Parrot X Adobe partnership, and flight plan. The drone keeps its orientation towards the point of interest after the waypoint. So exactly what those mean beyond the obvious, I can't really tell you at this point. It was a 275.7 megabyte file, if that's of interest to anybody. But as we test, we do a test flight. We hope to go out today and test fly the drone with all this new software to see if we can figure out what some of these features mean. I don't have the Parrot goggles for the Anafi, so I don't know if I'll be able to test the goggle feature out. I'm meaning to try it with a pair of just generic kind of what do you call it? Not FPV goggles, but reality goggles. I can't. I just don't know the word to say. But just the generic goggles where you just put your phone inside of them. I know that they said their Adobe partnership. I know I've heard that if you use Adobe Lightroom, they have corrections in there for the barrel distortion you see in the photos, and I guess even the some of the video too. So that's probably what that's related to. When the flight plan, the drone keeps its orientation towards the point of interest after the waypoint. I'm assuming that previous to this, once the waypoint was over, the point of interest pointed at you would no longer pointed at the no longer point at the point of interest. So I guess that could be a useful feature. I don't really, I've only tried the flight plan once or twice. I'm not a big user of the highly automated features. I'm mostly kind of a manual flyer, but I will try to test that out. So.